children. How are you all? Hope all are fine. Yes, today is Tuesday, the 16th March. And every class I am teaching you how you have to read the date, month and the year. Okay, the first one, what it is there, 1 to 31, that will be your date. Then the middle one or the 1 to 12 numbers, what will come, that will becomes your month. And the last 4 digits, that will be your year. Okay. Then what is the day of the day that will come, we will write it in a what? Letters. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, again the Monday will come. Our school will be, online classes will be from Monday to Friday, and Saturday there will be Zoom meet where we will clarify our all the what? All our doubts what we arises in that particular week. Sunday will be your very enjoying day. That day you will get up late, you will eat whatever you want, you will get up, you will dress up yourself, you go for a outing like malls, pictures, parks and all, and you go for eating the snacks also and enjoy your day. Okay? Most of the people will be think that Sunday will be the day where we will take a rest. Nothing but rest is nothing but sleeping a long hours and eating a delicious food and spending our time, that is called a Sunday, because on that day there will be a holiday. Okay? Yes? Yes children. Hope you all enjoyed your all the weekends like this only. Okay? Before starting my class, I will teach you little bit about yourself. What is yourself? How you should be yourself. Yourself is nothing but identify your inner soul, inner strength, inner possibilities. That is called your yourself. Yourself ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, Suyog is a boy. I know that Suyog is a boy. Suyog has mama, papa. Suyog has brother or sister. Suyog has friends. Suyog has grandparents. Suyog has his own house. Suyog loves to sleep with mama, papa only. Suyog loves to eat the pizza. Suyog loves to eat the curd. Like that, it's a common thing what everyone knows. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಇದೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಸುಯೋಗ್ ಅವರ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸುಯೋಗ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸುಯೋಗ್ ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತಾನೆ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸುಯೋಗ್ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ತಾತ ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸುಯೋಗ್ ಟೀಚರ್ ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸುಯೋಗ್ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಯೋರ್ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ದಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸುಯೋಗ್ ನೋಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಸುಯೋಗಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅವನ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು, ಅವನ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಏನು. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವೇ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, always mama will be scolding and teacher will be scolding that Suyog is not writing correctly, Suyog handwriting is not good ಅಂತ ಅಮ್ಮನೂ ಬೈತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಪಪ್ಪಾನು ಬೈತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಸುಯೋಗ್ದು ಟೀಚರ್ ಬೈತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆದರೆ ಸುಯೋಗ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು, ಸುಯೋಗ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಹೌ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಎ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್. ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ಸುಯೋಗ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೀಟ್ಲಿ. ಸುಯೋಗ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟ್ರೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ರೀಡ್ ಇಟ್ ನೈಸ್ಲಿ, or Suyog is neglecting his handwriting. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಒಂದು 3-4 ರೀಸನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು, ಸುಯೋಗಿಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಅವನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಿತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ಎರಡನೇದು, ಸುಯೋಗಿಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೂ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸ್ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ನ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಅಥವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದ್ರೂ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಬರೆದು ಮುಗಿಸಿ ನಾನು ಆಟ ಆಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೈಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸುಯೋಗ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ವೇಕ್ ಅಪ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಸುಯೋಗ್. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ you have to think that only you can do whatever you want. It's an eligibility. Okay? Yes? Shall we start our class? Yes. As usual, we will start with the English. Okay, what and all, what is the uses of the cursive writing and how you can write the cursive writing small letters we learn. From A to Z we learn how to write the cursive letters. Now today I am going to write some what sentences using a cursive writing. What they given in your book, page number 54, your cursive book, cursive writing practice book. A man ran to the van. A man ran to the van. A man ran to the van. This is your first sentence. A man ran to the van. See how I have written by writing using your cursive letters. This is called a cursive letter. I wrote one sentence using all the small letters. Okay. Yes. Next one is Ben as a red hen. Ben has a red hen. Ben as a red hen. I write it. Ben as a red hen. Ben as a red hen. The third one is the boy as a cat. The boy as a cat. A man ran to the, okay, a man ran to the van. Ben as a red hen. The boy as a cat. See, I have written all the things in your small letters. Actually, while starting a sentences, you have to write it with a big letter. But here I have written a small letter. Because of that, I am writing, because I have learned, we have learned only the small letter cursive writing. You don't know how to write the big letter. So I have written the small letters with the starting only. But while writing the sentences, you should remind that you have to write it with a capital letter only. Okay? Understood? Yes. Please complete your page number 54 in your cursive writing book. Page number 54 in your cursive writing book. You have to write these three sentences. First you have to trace it and you have to write it. Okay? Please maintain your handwriting, because good handwriting is the symbol of your how you will read. Okay? Yes. Next I will revise a little bit the articles. What do you mean by articles? Articles andre ಏನು? Yes, what do you mean by articles? Like verb, verb, adverb, noun, pronoun, and compositions, prepositions. This is a articles. Articles is nothing but using only two words. One is a and the another one is an. A and we can do the sentences. Where we will use a and that is called a articles. And how we will use a and that is called a article. Article is nothing but a joining word which we use before the vowel or a consonant. Okay? Yesterday we learned, no? Today I am going to revise a little bit the same thing. A is used with a consonant. And with a vowel. Vowels ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? A E I O U. A E I O U vowel ಮುಂದೆ ನಾವು ಏನೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆನ್ ಇಂದ ಬರುವಂತ orange, earn. So many words you can take. What are the words which will start with the vowels? Okay, that is called an article. Okay, for example, an egg is laid by a hen. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ, ಒಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಒಂದು ಮೊಟ್ಟೆನ ಇಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. an egg laid by a hen. ink, an ink was filled for a pen. Okay, like that. Ice cream, an ice cream. I ate an ice cream. I ate an ice cream. Orange, I had an orange of yellow color or orange color. The urn, urn andre an urn, it's one kind of unicorn. Urn, umbrella are the words for the U letter. Okay, like this you can make your own sentences using the articles. A, and then if I go to A, so many words will come. Tree, leaf, friend. A tree was very big and tall. A leave sanctioned by a what? A hire to the employee. Friend. Like that you can use so many words for a. Other than the vowels, all the words come under a article A. Okay children, understood? No, there is no homework for this. You can try at home using your 4 lines book, your own homework. Like you can write a sentences using a and an article. Okay, understood now? Yes, this is your English class. Now I'll move to our next class, that is your maths. Today counting of twos. Okay, skip counting ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? skip counting ಅಂದ್ರೆ skip ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? skip ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕ ಒಂದು. ಇವಾಗ if see I'll show you 3 cards. Okay, okay, can you see the 3 cards here of different color? Correct? No, one is like a ash color, another one is green and another one is purple. Okay, skip ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕ ಏನಿದೆ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. So see, it was which color? Green color was there. No, skip counting ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ash color ಇಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪರ್ಪಲ್ ಕಲರ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಜಂಪ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಅವಾಗ ನಾನು ಇದು ಏನು ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ನ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಲೀವ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಜಂಪ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆಶ್ ಕಲರ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಪಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್. ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ನೀವು ಆಟ ಆಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ, ಹೇಗೆ ನೀವು ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಜಂಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆಯಿಂದ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅವಾಗ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡು ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಅವಾಗ ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯುವರ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ground. Like that, it's a meaning that skip counting is leaving one number. I'll show you how you can do the skip counting. Twos, no, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Okay, I have taken the example for 1 to 20. I'll show you how it is a skip counting. See, this is a tinted, this is a eraser. I have to do the skip counting of twos. Okay, the first one I will leave. Alva 2. After the 2 one number I have to leave. Then it will come say 4. After the 4 one number I have to leave. 6. After that one number I have to leave, that is 8. After that 10. After the 10, again I have to leave one number, that is 11. Then how many is there? 13. You have to leave the next number. 14, 15 I have to erase, 17 I have to erase, and then 19 I have to here. See what is the difference between the first and second? Only we have added the 10 place. Okay. 2, 2, 4, 4, 6, 6, 8, 8, 10 and 20. All the 2 zeros are at the end. This is called a skip counting of 2. Artha aita? Yes. You try at home, you will come to know what is the skip counting of that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Like that, if you see the difference, no? See, 4 minus 2, how much? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, the answer is 2. Okay, next I will take a number from below to up. 6 minus 2, sorry, 6 minus 4. What is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಬರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 20 minus 18, ಸಾರಿ ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ 8 minus 6 ನ ನೋಡೋಣ ಆಯ್ತಾ? 8 minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 2. So, what you understood? In the skip counting of the 2, the differences will be remain 2 only. This is called the skip counting of the 2's. Okay? Skip counting of 2 andre the differences between the previous number and the next number, the differences remain only the 2. This is called the skip counting of the 2. Okay? Please work out at home. You will also come to know what is the skip counting of the 2. Okay? Now homework is like that. You have to write a skip counting. How many times? 3 times. Okay, you can practice. Okay, skip counting of 2's. Homework square book, write 2 skip counting. 2 to 20, 3 times you have to write. Okay, so that you come to know what is the skip counting, how you will get the skip counting of that. Okay, understood now? Yes. Shall we move to our next class, children? Yes, that's your smart class. What is the smart class? Yes, it's regarding your one part of a EVS only. Correct? No? General science only. Okay. I'll start here in your smart class. What we have to go? We will learn today little bit about the nature. Okay. What are those nature in the nature? What will see in the nature? Land, water, forest, sun, moon, so many animals, human beings, correct? No? Within inside we will find so many things like land, water, forest, sun, moon. Can I even create the sun? ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಮೂನು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಲ್ಯಾಂಡು ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡು ಇದು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನಂದು ಅಂತ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಆದರೆ ನೀವು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡನ್ನೇ ಅದನ್ನು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ, ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟರ್, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎನಿವನ್ ಜನರೇಟ್ ದ ವಾಟರ್? No, it's a natural. Forest, it is also same kind. You can save the forest, but you cannot build a new forest. Okay. Then animals. Animals, can anyone find the animals? Can anyone? I mean, you can save the animals. You can see the animals. Can anyone go and create any birds, any tiger, lion, and all? No. Human beings. Yes, this is also a nature gift only. Okay, we can give a new birth for the human beings, but we cannot find out where is the older one. Okay, these are all the nature thing. Today we are going to learn regarding the land. Land ಅಂದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ನೆನಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬರೀ ಭೂಮಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೆನಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸೋದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ? No, it's like mountains. Then hill, correct. Then valley. Then what is? Island. Then what else? Mountains, hills, valley, island, plain lands. Howdalva? Plain lands you can find out. Alva? Mountain, hill, valley, island, and a plain land. Today we are going to learn little bit about this. Okay, I gave you little 2 to 3 points. Okay. First one is mountain. ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಈ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಸನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಟು ಡ್ರಾ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ how like a triangle shape you will draw now, that is a mountains. Okay, the mountains are a surfaces where there will be a no plain land, it is full of forest and a things. Okay, this is called a mountains. Next one is hill. This is the another form of a mountains, but it is little bit, you can describe a hills. Okay, hills na ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. Hills are a small kinds of mountains. Okay, hills are the small kind of mountains. It consists of what you can climb the hills. Mountains and all you can't climb. Okay, but hills you can climb it. It is full of rocks, forest, water, wild animals, creatures, everything. Okay, next is our valley. Valley is like a mountains only, but we can see lot of trees there. You can see a lot of trees. Okay, you can see lot of trees in the valleys. Valleys are greeneries. You can enjoy there. You can go for a picnic spot there. That is called a valley. For example, near to Karnataka, that is the valley called a Ooty. Ooty is a valley. Okay, next one is your island. Island is a place okay, this is okay, island is a place which is covered with the water. All the 3 sides the water will be there, only one side the land will be there. This is called an island. Okay, then it is a plain land. Plain land is a suitable for a crop. ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನಾವೀಗ ಏನು ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಿತೀವೋ ಅದನ್ನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳೆಯೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ in all the places the waterfalls will be there. In the mountains also you can find the waterfalls. In the hill also you can see the waterfalls. Valley also you can see the waterfalls. Island, it is covered with water only. Plain land, it is also a place where we can grow crops in that. Okay, for going to the island you can't go through roads and all, you have to go with a boats only. Okay, listen that. I hope you understood today's class. Okay, again and again you go through what I told to you, you see the video and you can understand what I taught to you. Okay, yes, take care, bye.